Further, let us study about nucleus. So, nucleus is a large centrally located structure that is present in the cell. Nucleus is basically the control center of the cell because it controls the working of the cell, and that's why nucleus is also known as the brain of the cell. Nucleus is covered by a double membrane structure that is also known as nuclear membrane. Next is, there are a number of pores that are present on the nuclear membrane. These pores allow movement of substances in and out of the nucleus and are termed as nuclear pores. Nucleus also contains chromosomes, which are rod-shaped structures that carry the genetic information. These chromosomes contain two types of things. The first is DNA, that is known as deoxyribonucleic acid. This DNA is responsible for organizing and constructing new cells, whereas the proteins help in packaging and condensation of DNA. Now, let us study that what is chromatin. Thread-like structures are present in the cell that are termed as chromatin. And when the cell is about to divide, these chromatin material gets organized into the form of chromosomes. Next is nucleolus. Nucleolus is again the component that is present inside the nucleus. And this nucleolus is known as the brain of the nucleus. And whereas the nucleus is known as the brain of the cell. It comprises of the 25% of the volume of the nucleus. Next is that it consists of proteins and DNA. This nucleolus has a very important function to perform. It helps in the formation of proteins inside the cell. Then is nucleoid. So next, let us study, student, what is nucleoid? Nucleus with no definite nuclear boundaries. We all have studied that nucleus is surrounded by nuclear membrane, that is, it is having a proper boundary, and the nucleus which do not have a nuclear boundary, that is termed as nucleoid.